Hello everyone, welcome to today's video with Eurocar Upgrades. Today in front of me I have a 2012 Audi A1. Now this Audi A1 came to us from a gentleman who had been storing it in his shed for a number of months, a few years actually. This was completely immobilized. He was unable to put it into gear or even into reverse. This gentleman brought it in to us to diagnose. And after our tests, we found an issue within the gearbox, the selector within the gearbox. Now, our magical mechanic took apart the gearbox, replaced the selector, and put it all back together. And now we have a fully functioning Audi A1 that's ready to go back on the road. Thank you for watching this video, and in the post, you will find a link to our time-lapse video of our magical mechanic actually taking the gearbox apart and putting it back together again. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.